Hi everyone, it's me Roslyn and my baby Daenerys. Okay, so on this video we will talk about what are all the documents you need to bring during your interview. Okay, before your interview you have to gather all the documents you need. So that in case the consul will ask documents from you, you can hand it to him so that you will not receive 221G. Okay? So I have a separate video before, like 2016, regarding all the documents that I brought during my interview. I will indicate the link, but since that is 2016 and I want to update my video, I will make this video for the updated documents that you need to bring. Okay, but you can check my other video also because I show all the documents that I brought during my interview. Okay, so first you have to bring your passport. It must be valid for at least 6 months. Okay, and the next you have to bring photos. Bring at least 5 recent colored photographs. Okay, photographs of you and your fiancé or your spouse or your husband or your wife, and then the family. Okay, or you can bring album, because when the consul will ask you for a photograph, you will just show it outside and you will just show it on the glass window. Okay, you will not hand it to him, you will just open it so the consul will see the photo. Okay, and then next you have to bring the immigrant visa electronic application. If you are applying for K1 fiancé visa, you have to bring the DS-160 confirmation page containing the barcode information. And if you are applying for spouse visa, you will bring the DS-260 confirmation page containing the barcode. Okay, and then next you have to bring the medical examination result. You must undergo the required medical examination at St. Luke's Extension Clinic and bring the result at the time of your visa interview. Don't open the envelope, okay, because it was sealed. Okay, and then next, you have to bring police report. Applicants aged 16 years and older must have a valid Philippine Police or NBI clearance from the National Bureau of Investigation. For immigration purpose, an NBI clearance is valid for 1 year from the date of issuance. And please note that the NBI clearance with an AKA is also required. Police clearance should be the applicant's current name, birth certificate name, maiden name, married name, and any alias or nicknames ever used, including different spelling of all names that may have appeared on other civil documents like birth certificate, okay? And even if these names or spelling have never been routinely used, okay? So you have to refer to NBI website. Okay, and then also police clearance from other countries. Applicants who have stayed for 1 year or more upon reaching the age of 16 years are required to obtain a police certificate. Country-specific information on how to secure foreign police certificate is available at travel.state.gov. You can check that. Okay, and then next, you have to bring to your interview the fees. Immigrant visa application fees may be paid in cash or credit cards at the embassy consular cashier if these have not been paid at NBC. But for K1, you have to pay at BPI. Okay? And also, you have to bring the birth certificate or marriage certificate if you are married. Okay? And must be issued on security paper by the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, formerly NSO. Okay, not from the local civil registry office. Just make sure your birth certificate or your marriage certificate is PSA. Okay, because it's already PSA, not NSO. And then you have also, if you are applying for K1 fiancé visa, you have to bring your certificate of no marriage or CENOMAR. Applicants who are single and have never been married, 18 years and older, are required to obtain a CENOMAR from the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA. The request for a CENOMAR is a standard measure adopted in Manila to ensure that a visa applicant does not have any concealed, unterminated prior marriage to anyone, which would eliminate his or her claim to the single status of the visa category. Okay? So, you have to bring your CENOMAR. Okay? And then for spouse visa, you have to bring your CEMAR. Okay? Certificate of marriage. Of course, from Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA. Okay? And the next, proof of termination of marriage. Annulment decree, that certificate issued by the PSA. A foreign divorce decree or foreign death certificate. Okay? And the next, you have to bring proof of relationship. Submit documents that further establish your relationship with the petitioner, such as personal photographs with the petitioner taken over a period of time, as well as personal correspondence. Like what I told you a while ago, you have to bring photos. Okay? And then you need to bring 2x2 passport size pictures. 2 pieces. Okay? And then next, you have to bring financial documents. Applicants must provide evidence that they will not become public charge in the U.S. Okay? You have to bring like W2 of the petitioner, what do you call this? W2, 1040, pay stub, certificate of employment, written date of employed, how much is his salary or the rate. Okay? And then of course, if you are military, you have to bring military records. Applicants who serve in the military or police should present certified copies of their military or police service records. So, that are the requirements or documents you need to bring during your interview. Okay? So, if you have questions, clarifications, please feel free to comment on my video and please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you have friends who's applying for K1 fiancé visa or spouse visa, you can share my video to them so we can help them. Okay? Bye-bye everyone. Have a great day. Oh, say goodbye, baby. Say goodbye to them. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.